Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today, we are diving into a product that promises to aid in muscle repair and recovery, the Animal Recovery Chews Muscle Repair. If you're into fitness like me, you'll know how crucial recovery is for optimal performance. So, let's see if these chews live up to the hype. First off, let's talk packaging. The container is sturdy and easy to carry around, perfect for gym bags. Each chew is individually wrapped, making it super convenient for on-the-go use. But what's inside? These chews are packed with key ingredients designed to support muscle recovery. Let's break it down. These chews contain a blend of amino acids, including L-glutamine, which helps reduce muscle soreness and improve recovery time. There's also BCAAs, branched-chain amino acids that play a crucial role in muscle repair and growth. Another notable ingredient is collagen, which supports joint health and overall recovery. The combination of these ingredients is designed to get you back to your workouts faster and stronger. I've been using the Animal Recovery Chews for the past 2 weeks, and I have to say, I've noticed a difference. Taking them before and after my workouts has significantly reduced my muscle soreness. I feel less fatigued and more ready to tackle my next session. The taste is pleasant too, which is a huge plus for me. Effective blend of ingredients for muscle recovery. Tastes good. A bit on the pricey side compared to other recovery supplements. So, what's the final verdict? If you're serious about your fitness and looking for an effective recovery supplement, the Animal Recovery Chews Muscle Repair are definitely worth considering. They deliver on their promise and help speed up recovery, making your fitness journey smoother. If you found this review helpful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe for more honest reviews. Drop a comment below if you've tried these chews or if you have any questions. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.